Hey guys, John Olson, General Manager of Palm Harbor Homes in Cleveland, Texas. We have our summer fun going on right now. Come in any day this week. We'll give you a voucher. Take $25 up to 4 people at any Six Flags in Texas. This promo is going on this week. Also, with any new home purchase, we're giving away a 55-inch TV. This is the best time to come in and buy homes here at Palm Harbor, Cleveland. I've got $7,000 off on one of our lot model blowouts, double wides. We're giving away free pads. We've got up to $2,500 in free options, skirting, decks, all that stuff. But how about taking the family to Six Flags this summer, $25 off, up to 4 people. Come by and see us, 1152 Frontage Road, Cleveland, Texas, 77327. Visit us on the web, www.cleveland.palmharbor.com, or give us a call, set up an appointment, 281-592-8600. We look forward to seeing you this week.